Hello traders, I hope guys you are having a very good day today, and I just finished my London morning session. Before I go for my breakfast, I would like to show you how I analyzed this morning and help my traders to squeeze amazing profit. As always, if you would like to see all that analysis in real time instead of review, feel free to join my fast growing trader community. And I also show you, one of the trader asked me about the aggressive trade and the safest trade. I will also show you, and I will show you with the example one of my traders, how they, being an intraday, how they take aggressive trades and the safest trade. All right, stay tuned. Let's dig into the system. As always, if you don't want to miss my latest analysis review in the future, feel free to subscribe this channel. Let's dig into the three major currency pair first, and then I will show you the best trade of the day. We have best trade of the morning, because we still have a New York session. We have a FOMC meeting, so just be careful, guys. So let's dig into the EURUSD. Let's see what's happened. All right, so if yesterday we had such a nice beautiful rally, even in the New York session we had a short bank amazing profit. Even this morning we were expecting this breakout and price nicely broken. We have the short trade here. That's the only trade we had it in the morning on EURUSD. Let me share with you guys how I analyze. If you look at here this morning, I explained to my trader, price develop a major consolidation. As you can see here, look for the breakout. Price refused to break this one. I said, guys, look for the breakout, because our sentiment bias was short, so more likely we were expecting a short trade here. Price nicely broken, and after the breakout, as always, the pullback short trade here. So we had this short trade on EURUSD. Pound dollar, we had a quite interesting trade, guys. We also had a long trade and short trade here. So if you look at the 4-hour chart, if you look at here, this is the price is at the major support level. As you can see here, that's the weekly support level. So this morning we had a beautiful long trade here, as you can see here, just before London open. This is the analysis I explained to my trader. Look for this one, because price nicely broken this previous low but haven't respected it, so there's still possibility. So we're looking this breakout, or if the price broken the recent highs, if the price gonna break, then continue, as it mentioned, pull back. So what happened here, you can see here, price nicely broken this level. As mentioned in the analysis, that was a beautiful breakout. After the breakout, momentum was bullish, pullback short trade here, and then afterwards announced another pullback. As soon as the price hit to the previous high, as explained to my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit, and let's see if the price develop another pattern. And afterwards, as you can see here, price nicely respected after the banking some pips. Then I explained to my trader, let's wait for another price action. And if you look at here, the price came back here, broken this low here. So we explained to my trader, if the price gonna break, so technically if you look at here, this is the level, or if the price is going to break this level or this level, then we're taking a short trade here, which is the, you can see here, price nicely broken and short trade here. Some of the traders are still holding short, but we had to manage few pp's on the long and short on pound dollar. Dollar CAD this morning, we had this impulsive move, and we were expecting a long here. Let me share with you the analysis, guys. Right, so we had such a nice rally yesterday. As you can see here, we've been long. You can see here, this is long. At the New York session, we were taking a long. At the today morning, as you can see here, we have this impulsive move. So technically we were expecting a pullback. That's what I explained to my trader, and that's why our intraday system, you see, we haven't seen any green candle here, any pullback here. And I also mentioned, look for the breakout. As you can see here, price nicely broken, and as soon as the price hit to the 200 EMA and the previous low, and that's what I explained my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit. So we had, this is the only trade we had it on the London morning session, but we had a beautiful trades, all the yen pair, pound yen, dollar, euro yen, and the dollar yen too. Let me share with you the euro yen. If you look at in the 4-hour, we had, once the price reversed, we had this long trade here, and afterwards we also had the short trade here. Let me share with you the intraday. That's what we do, guys. You can see here, we had such an amazing beautiful long trade here. Okay, so this is the analysis at the just before London open, 10 minutes before London open. I do analysis. As you can see here, look for pullback. That was the beautiful pullback long trade here. And I also did another analysis just to make sure the trader don't miss this opportunity. And that was the beautiful, you can see here, breakout long trade here. As soon as the price hit to the support resistance level, that's what explained my trade. It's time to enjoy some profit, and let's wait. And if you look at here what happened after banking this profit, I said, guys, let's wait for the price action, develop another pattern. So that's what explained to my trader. Look here, the price did not maintain the previous high, and that basically what price came back and retest. So this is that's what I did this analysis, guys. If the price is gonna break, keep taking a pullback, but if the price gonna break, keep taking up, because we have this false breakout. After the false breakout, we have a confirmation, then keep taking a pullback as long as the momentum is bearish. So what happened here, you can see here, price broken, retest, we have another pullback, we have another breakout pullback, we have another pullback, we have another pullback. So that's what explained my trade. It's time to enjoy some profit. You can see here in the morning we had a long trade here, and afterwards we had such a nice beautiful short trade here on euro yen. We had the same trade exactly more or less for the pound yen. Let me share with you the analysis. If you look at the 4-hour chart and explain my trader, because this morning we have this rejection, so we had this long trade here once the price respected, and we also had a short trade here. Let me share with you the intraday analysis. That was a pretty straightforward, beautiful trades on pound yen and euro yen. Okay, so this is the analysis. As you can see here, that was the pretty straightforward pullback long trade here. You can see here, banking some profit, and afterwards wait for another pullback once the price came here. And that's what I explained to my trader. Look here, this is what we explained in detail to price action in intraday. That's what I explained. If you look at here, I said to my trader, if the price is going to break, because you can see here, same exactly what happened in the euro yen. So we say if the price gonna break this, we're taking a long possibility of pullback, because if you look at here, price also broken this one. So expecting a pullback. If the price develop pullback break, then we're taking a long trade here. Let's say if the price gonna break this one, then we need a safer trade here, rebreak and retest. Aggressive is straight away. So you can see here, price nicely respected, even develop a double bottom and beautiful breakout, and nicely hit to the profit target. Bank amazing profit on pound yen. After banking some profit, as you can see here, price reverse. Then we said to guys, just wait for another pattern to be developed. So you can see here, as we always look in recent high and low, and you can see here price broken this one, and that's what we have this one. So explain my trader, if the price gonna break, then we keep taking a pullback long here, keep taking a long here. If the price gonna break, then take a short trade and keep taking. You can see here price nicely respected here. As mentioned in the analysis, that was a beautiful breakout. As soon as the price hit to the previous low level, explain my trader, it's time to enjoy some profit, and let's wait to price develop another pattern. As you can see here, price develop another pattern, impulsive reverse, and then down again, same methodology. You can see here, price, if the price gonna break, keep taking a long trade here. If the price gonna break this low, then keep taking a pullback short trade here. You can see here, price broken. After the breakout, as always, bank some profit, explain my trader, and look for another pullback, beautiful short trade on pound yen. So we bank amazing profit, especially on the yen pair. All right, so let me share with you, one of the trader asked about the aggressive and the impulsive trade. So let me share with you one of my, let's see if I can share one of my trader trade and explain to you about the aggressive and impulsive. Okay, so you can see here, one of my traders bank, this is the new trader started. You can see here, this month he already made 106 pips, as you can see here. So now I'm gonna share with you some of the trade he's tried to take aggressively, and some of the trade he has taken a safer trade. So both are here. And if you look at here, this pound yen, he made a minus 15 pips. And if I click on this pip piece, and I can see here, because that's why the system capture every time when you open and close trade. So you can see here, this was the aggressive pullback. He has taken it, but he initially closed that trade instantly as soon as he realized the price is not going his favor, right? So this is the pound yen. This is the aggressive trade he has taken. Now he has taken the same pound yen as the safest trade based on the analysis I just mentioned you guys. So look for this pullback. As what happened here, you can look at the price develop a double bottom here, as you can see here. That's one of my analysis I just showed you guys. Based on that, he has taken at this long trade here, and he banked nicely. Profit target hit 35 pips. So this is the safest trade, and that was the aggressive trade which he came out at the minus 15, but this trade he banked, recovered plus 35 pips. So same thing if I show you here on let's say here and this one, minus 9 pips on the euro yen. So you can see here this was the aggressive trade. He was expecting another pullback, so he have taken aggressively, but he made an aggressive decision, but he made a quickly decision to get out from this trade. Then he make a long trade here. That's the safest trade based on another analysis I just showed you before. That was a pretty straightforward based on the analysis. That was the price nicely, you can see here, nicely respected as mentioned in the analysis. Price nicely developed a double bottom here and taken a long trade here and bank as soon as the price hit to this target, and he banked some profit. So you can see guys, this is the way trader trades. Being an intraday traders, most of the traders bank 100 plus pips, as you can see it guys. And I hope you enjoy all this analysis. As always mentioned guys, you should be watching those analysis in real time and banking profit PPs like these traders every single day. That's the interesting part of it. So if you are struggling in forex trading, this is the platform where I train and coach trader with the live market every single day through live intraday analysis at the London morning and at the New York opening. So if you would like to learn forex trading with the real time, and once you develop your trading skill and show me you're a consistent and profitable trader, I can also help you to get funded. So if most welcome guys, if you're interested how to learn forex trading live, most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Once again, thank you for watching this video and have a nice day. And I'm going for my breakfast, and I'll see you next time. All the best.